Hello everyone. Do you also greet people with the same hello, how are you? If yes, so learn some more greeting phrases. Today I'll be sharing with you 10 greeting phrases in English that you can experiment whenever you meet your friends, relatives, or acquaintances, the people whom you know. The first one is, how have you been? How have you been? This is a question, interrogative sentence. You can ask your friend or anybody whom you are meeting, how have you been? Means अगर आप किसी की well-being के बारे में पूछना चाहते हो तो आप बोल सकते हो how have you been? Means आपके हालचाल कैसे हैं? Okay, so in example we'll say, hi Reena, how have you been? So the way of speaking also, how have you been? It should be sounding like a question sentence. How have you been? Hello Reena, how have you been? How have you been these days? So in this expression, either you can add some phrase in the beginning or some at the end. Like in the first sentence, hi Reena. So you can replace it with your friend's name. Hello dear, how have you been? How have you been these days? How have you been all these weeks? So this way you can keep changing it. So you can speak along with me. How have you been? Means किसी की हाल चाल well-being पूछना है. You can ask him. How have you been? Next है. It's great to see you. So when you speak this line, that enthusiasm, that happiness should show in your face. It's great to see you. It's great to see you. Means आपको देखकर कितनी खुशी हुई है. A warm greeting when you meet someone. That you feel very nice when you meet someone. So you can say it's great to see you. Example, hello sir, it's great to see you today. Hi Meena, it's great to see you again. फिर से आपको मिलकर बड़ी खुशी हुई. It's great to see you. So this is the second one. You can say it's great to see you. आपको देखकर बहुत खुशी हुई. And it should be that same happiness and the tone should be happy when you speak this line. It's great to see you. This is a different phrase. Long time no see. Long time no see. It means that बहुत समय के बाद जब किसी को मिलते हैं then we say this long time no see. इतना समय हो गया है लेकिन मिले ही नहीं. So when you are greeting someone after a long time, you can say long time no see. Long time no see कि काफी टाइम हो गया मिले ही नहीं हम लोग. Hey, long time no see. Long time no see. How are you? तक कितना टाइम हो गया मिले ही नहीं है. कैसे हो? कहाँ हो? वेयर हैव यू बीन? आप इस दोनों को यू कैन कंबाइन. लॉन्ग टाइम नो सी. वेयर हैव यू बीन? हाउ हैव यू बीन? कैसे रहे और कहाँ रहे अभी तक? हाउ हैव यू बीन? लॉन्ग टाइम नो सी. So this is the third one. Long time no see. Next is, how's everything going? कैसा चल रहा है हाल चाल? So here everything means that या आपकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है एंड जहाँ पे आप काम कर रहे हो कैसा चल रहा है. सो हाउज एवरीथिंग गोइंग. How's everything going? Asking about life or work, that how it is going. Example, hi Rohan, how's everything going at work? So specifically you are asking about work. If you say how's everything going, that means it can be related to life, family life, workplace. But if you are specifically asking about work, hi Rohan, how's everything going at work? How's everything going at home? Specific also, you can make it specific at home, at work. So you can modify it. How's everything going? It means क्या चल रहा है, लाइफ कैसे ट्रीट कर रही है आपको. How's everything going? Next is hope you have been doing well. So contracted form of this you've say hope you've been doing well. Hope you've been doing well. Otherwise you can just, when you are just practicing, you can even say hope you have been doing well. Means ये जब आप किसी से हालचाल पूछते हो तो सेम थिंग यू कैन यूज. होप मतलब आशा करता हूँ कि सब ठीक ठाक चल रहा है. होप यू हैव बीन डूइंग वेल. अ पोलाइट वेल बीइंग इंक्वायरी. इट इज अ पोलाइट वे व्हेन यू enquire about somebody's well being, कैसे हालचाल उनके चल रहे हैं. A polite well being inquiry. Hope you've been doing well. Hope you've been doing great. So let us see sentence. Good morning. Hope you have been doing well. Hope you have been doing well lately. आशा करता हूँ सब कुछ ठीक ठाक चल रहा है. So let's practice it again. Hope you have been doing well. अब contracted form, let us practice. Hope you've been doing well. Hope you have been doing great. Well, great, you can even replace them. Next is good to see you again. किसी को आप दोबारा से मिलते हो, so you can always say good to see you again. Hello Reena, good to see you again. Example, good to see you again. Riya, Reena, hi, good to see you again. मतलब किसी को दोबारा मिलने में आपको खुशी हो रही है. So happy to meet someone again. You can say good to see you again. These all are greeting sentences. You can experiment with your friends and acquaintance. What are acquaintances? The people whom you know. जिनको आप जानते हो, acquaintances. How's your day going so far? The अब तक, so far, अब तक. How's your day going? कैसा दिन बीत रहा है? First, we'll practice with the full sentence. How is your day going so far? How is your day going so far? Because it is interrogative sentence, we'll ask it in the form of question. How's your day going so far? अब इसको contracted form में practice करते हैं. How's your day going so far? How's your day going so far? Okay, so it is asking about someone's day कि कैसा उसका दिन चल रहा है. Hi Meena, how's your day going so far? How's your day going at the office? The office में अब तक कैसा चल रहा है दिन? This expression you can use. Next, what's new with you? ये informal तरीका है. It is an informal way of asking what new things are happening in somebody's life. What's new with you? ये कोई नई बात जाननी है तो आप ऐसे बोल सकते हो. What's new with you? What's new with you? Example, hey Deepak, what's new with you? What's new with you these days? Let's practice it again. What's new with you? What's new with you? What's new with you? Next, I, I've, I plus have. तो बन गया I've. खोल के पहले इसको पढ़ते हैं. I have been looking forward to meeting you. या इसको हम I had भी बना सकते हैं. I had been looking forward to meeting you. Means मैं तो वेट कर रहा था आपसे मिलने के लिए. Saying you were eager to meet. So आप इसको फिर से बोलिए. I have been looking forward to meeting you. I had भी कर लीजिए. I had been looking forward to meeting you. So both ways you can use it. आप contracted form में use करके देखते हैं. I've been looking forward to meeting you. I've been looking forward to meeting you. Example, I've been looking forward to meeting you. Same इस तरीके से बोल सकते हो या फिर hello. I've been looking forward to meeting you. क्योंकि looking forward to ये होता है कि कुछ future को लेकर एंथुजियास्टिक होना, उत्साहित होना, जोश से भरे हुए होना कि मैं तो वेट ही कर रहा था तुमसे कब मिलूं. आई हैव बीन लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू मीटिंग यू. इंतजार कर रहा था. नेक्स्ट, हाउ आर थिंग्स एट योर एंड. सो अगर आपको पूछना हो कि दूसरों के घर में चीजें या दूसरों की लाइफ में चीजें कैसी चल रही हैं, देन यू कैन आस्क हाउ आर थिंग्स गोइंग एट देयर लाइफ और प्लेस. हाउ आर थिंग्स एट योर एंड. एट योर एंड मीन्स आपके लाइफ में या आपके एंड पे, लाइफ में या प्लेस में कैसी चल रही हैं चीजें. एग्जाम्पल, हाउ आर थिंग्स एट योर एंड. क्वेश्चन की तरह पूछिए. हाउ आर थिंग्स एट योर एंड. नेक्स्ट ऐसे भी बोल सकते हो, हाय प्रिया, हाउ आर थिंग्स एट योर एंड. प्रिया कैसी चल रही है चीजें आपकी लाइफ में. ओके, हाउ आर थिंग्स एट योर एंड. क्वेश्चन की तरह पूछिए. हाउ आर थिंग्स एट योर एंड. हाउ आर थिंग्स एट योर एंड. सो ये थे हमारे कुछ ग्रीटिंग्स के फ्रेजेस. I hope that these all phrases that we learned today, they will prove helpful to you. Start using from today itself so that you get enough practice. And if you have liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comments में लिख के ज़रूर बताइए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी कीजिए. Thank you for watching.